Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your phone and getting the right apps. Back up your data, enable developer options and USB debugging so you can restore if needed. Then install an iOS-style launcher and matching icon pack. These change the home screen and app icons instantly. Also add a Control Center app and an iOS-like keyboard for consistent input. Once done, make sure those apps have the needed permissions so they run as default. This sets the foundation for the rest of the transformation. You now customize the launcher so the phone behaves like iOS. Set the new launcher as default, arrange the home grid and dock, and hide app labels to match iOS aesthetics. Apply the icon pack and tweak folder appearance and notification badges to look right. Then configure gestures. Map swipe up to open app drawer or home, assign swipe from corner to bring up Control Center, and refine animation speed for smoothness. Make sure each gesture doesn't conflict with system actions, so navigation feels natural. You finish by polishing visuals and validating behavior. Change system font and lock screen shortcuts to mimic iOS, add an assistive touch or virtual home if needed, and set your chosen apps as defaults. Test gestures, Control Center toggles, notifications, and app badges to confirm everything responds correctly. If something breaks, clear conflicting defaults, restart the launcher, or reinstall the offending app. Those steps usually fix permission or cache issues. Finally, keep the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.